Hello everyone, I'm introducing our project YouTube Video Downloader. The reason we choose this subject, in day-to-day life, we watch videos from YouTube for motivational, educational and entertainment purpose. We want to download the videos that can be useful or effective of our study. But in YouTube, we can only download videos for 30 days. To download the videos permanently, we create program using Python through which download YouTube videos in our devices permanently. We use the languages Python and HTML. In Python, we use the PyTube library. The feature of PyTube library is it is serious, lightweight, dependency-free, and command-line utility for downloading YouTube videos. And for web development, we use the Flask. Flask is microwave framework for building website with Python. So we run this program in VS Code. Now I got this link, and by clicking this link, web page is open. Now I paste YouTube link and clicking downloading button. In project, we use the highest resolution of video quality. Now downloading is successful.